Has been to locate this suspect and put him behind bars where he belongs.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Parkland County has issued a wildfire alert. Mandatory evacuation. This alert is in effect for Parkland County, everyone west of Range Road 65 near Entwistle. If you are west of Range Road 65 to the Pembina River, north of Township Road 530 to Highway 16, including all residents of Entwistle, there is a mandatory evacuation order. You must evacuate immediately. Gather important documents, medication, and enough food and water to be away from home for at least 3 days. Take pets with you. There are 2 reception centers for evacuees. Evacuees must register either in person at the Wildwood Community Hall or Wabamun Jubilee Hall, or by calling 780-203-3258. If you need help evacuating, contact 780-203-3258. Visit www.parklandcounty.com/r70 for more information. Check 511.alberta.ca for updated highway closures.
We're like, well, it's normal. They're always shooting. This neighborhood, they're always shooting.